In OLT Web, navigate to the configuration page to access the LAG Link Aggregation Group page. You can visually identify which port belongs to which link aggregation group. For instance, this icon indicates uplink port GE3 belongs to LAG6. Similarly, you can readily obtain the connection status for each port. This screen indicates GE1 and PONG1 are both in the process of connecting. Adding a link aggregation group. Click Add. Supports the creation of up to 8 groups. Choose LAG ID as 3. Select the work mode, either manual or LACP. Choose the load balance mode. Here, source MAC is selected. Choose the ports to be added to the group. There are some selection restrictions. Each port can only belong to one aggregation group. For example, GE3 belongs to LAG6, so this option is grayed out, preventing it from being added to other aggregation groups. Ports of different types cannot belong to the same group. Gigabit ports GE1 to 4 and 10 gigabit ports XGE1 to 2 cannot be part of the same aggregation group. For demonstration, add GE1 and GE4 to LAG3. Choose VLAN mode as trunk. Click Confirm, and you can see that this aggregation group has been successfully created. Managing link aggregation groups. Click Details to view specific information. Click Edit for modifications. Click Delete to remove the aggregation group.